Hey beauties, hi and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nick and I'm back at it again with another video. Hey, and I'm super excited because I'm bringing you guys some new content. Let's get away from makeup for a second and talk about these Uggs. These are the new Fluff. Yes, it's from the Pride collection. I just got them today, so I'm sharing them with you guys ASAP. So if you want to see what they look like plus a few of my other pair of Uggs, then keep on watching. Okay, so here they are. I have removed them from the box and let's go ahead and take a peek. Ooh. These are my first pair of Fluff, so I'm super excited. Ooh, they are so bomb. Get a look at that. This is the bottom. So like I said, these are my first pair of Fluff, and this part right here is actually harder than I thought. I originally thought these were just like meant for the house. I thought these were legit house shoes, but I've seen people with them, of course, wearing them outside of their home, grocery store, traveling, whatever. And I bought them to wear them at home, but I don't know, you might see me out with these. And I went with this choice because, where's my phone? I went with this choice because blue is my favorite color, purple is my favorite color, and so I couldn't go wrong. These were the other pair that came out, and that just wasn't my tempo, so I went with these here. And I actually got lucky because let me tell you, they came out with the neon Fluff, and I wanted those at first. I wanted the neon blue ones and they sold out, and I was so mad. And Ugg had sent me an email for like pre-sale on these, so I was like, you know what, Ugg snapped on these. I'm gonna have to jump on these. So I'm super glad I did not get my way with the first choice, because these are beautiful. I love the pink. It just has like to be honest, all of my favorite colors, minus this one, but it still go. All of my favorite colors are in this shoe, so I can't go wrong. Hopefully they're comfortable. I have mine in a size 9, and I'm talking a mile a minute. Why do I do that when I start talking to y'all? But let's pop this out and I'm gonna try the shoe on. I love the platform. It has a little platform, and the sole is not that hard. It's actually quite comfortable. These are made of lamb fur, and of course they use dye to achieve the colors. All right, so these are definitely a winner. I'm in love with these. Next pair is actually the first pair of Uggs I got, and I got these not too long ago. I got them about a year ago. I wasn't really into Uggs for this to be my first pair, right? But I moved to Arizona. It's a little colder than usual out here. I'm from California, so Southern California, by the way. So I picked up these, and I actually got these on sale. I don't remember how much I paid for them. If I do, I'll put it in the description box. But right now, they're actually having a sale anyway, and the summer is coming up, so summer is the best time to get winter stuff, obviously. These are the mini Bailey Bow Shimmer, Bailey Bow 2. And of course they have the fur inside. These are so warm and comfortable. I went to Vegas and I found myself wearing these more than I was wearing a pair of heels or tennis shoes. So these are just like a classic pair of Uggs, a nice brown, go with anything type of shoe. And that's my first pair. Moving on to my second pair of Uggs that I actually purchased, the Fluff are my third, and I haven't worn these yet. These are so pretty. I wanted them in another color. They sold out, of course, but you can't go wrong with blue. These are the Fluff Mini Quilted, and I'll put the full title of the shoe in there if I'm getting that incorrect, but these are a winner. These are so pretty. And that's the bottom. And I still have the tag on here just to let you know. I tried them on before I did this video, so it may be a little dirty here, but the tag is still here. And that is my collection of Uggs. I really want to share with you guys these bad boys, and I was like, why not throw my other pair of Uggs in there? But these are beautiful. You guys, you have to get you a pair for the house, for travel. The strap, I did watch a video before and she said the strap was a little loose. Well, it could be that her foot was smaller. I believe for me, these are true to size. I'm a size 8.5 to a 9, and I got these in a 9 because that's what I got all the other pair in, and they fit well. The strap is snug, so maybe, you know, they worked on that, but that is it for my mini Ugg collection. Thank you so much for watching my video. Peace, love, and joy, and as usual, stay blessed, stay beautiful. Till next time.